This time we're going to determine equation of a line which is perpendicular to y-axis and is passing by point 1/2, 9. In order to make this problem looking simpler, we're going to draw the graph. So we have x-axis and we have y-axis and point 1/2, 9. So if this is, let's say, my 1, so I have half, and we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and this is my point. This is my point. The line has to be perpendicular to y-axis. Okay, please notice that every single point on this line is going to have y-coordinate equals 9. X-coordinates are going to change, but y-coordinate is always the same. That's why equation of this line looks like this: y equals 9. And this is the solution to my problem.